Mining for a better future.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Naked DJ, please can you come to this side of the studio? I just want to do something quick. There we go. Oh, yes. Looking good, man. No, you're looking good. You're looking good. You're looking good.
Thank you, Kutso.
How are you feeling today, man?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah? No, how?
Why? What's going on?
I'm just asking. I care.
Okay.
You know you're the greatest human being ever, bro.
Oh, thank you so much.
Really, you are.
Oh, okay. What do you want?
I feel like I'm interviewing you now.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, man.
Oh, thank you. You see, now that's the thing.
Yeah.
You wanted to say, oh, you're looking good
No.
for your age.
Actually, yes. No, for real, though. That's a thing, though. And I'm sure you get it all the time, though.
I get it all the time. Yeah.
Hi,
That's
Kaylee.
That's right. I got a baby to prove it.
Happy birthday, Naked DJ, Quentin Masina.
Yeah, nah, man. It feels so good. Yeah, it feels so good. Just waking up and the little one not wanting me to come to work. And yeah, no, this week I don't know what the little one is up to, but the moment I get up and I try to shower or do something,
Yeah.
baby's in the bathroom. Baby cries for me. So yeah, 10 months. I don't know. I thought maybe the baby was meant to cry for the mom all the time.
But it's for you.
But the tables have turned. Yeah, now the mornings are difficult for me. Yeah, they are so difficult for
I
me.
think it's age, my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's age. Happy birthday,
Yeah.
man.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Kutso.
All right. Let's get it with Anonymous. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys?
Hey, we good. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you celebrating anything today apart from wanting and needing advice?
No.
No? Okay. Let's celebrate Naked DJ, but also you by giving you advice. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules and then we'll get into it. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
All right. What's happening?
Sure. Okay. I've been with this guy for almost 8 years. And then, that's our listen.
Sorry, Anonymous, we didn't hear you there.
Can I speak in Zulu? Mix it in.
Yeah, you can, but try and just add as much English as possible so we don't have to do so much translating, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, but
So this is what's happening. I've been dating this guy for almost 8 years. In those 8 years, we've had a lot of complications, but it was not about cheating. So he's 36, and then he stays with his parents' place. And I'm 30, and I also stay with my parents.
Can I ask you something, Anonymous? Are you on speakerphone?
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay, Mama, please continue.
Did
Please
you say
continue.
he's 36 or 46 and you are 30?
36.
He's 36 and then you are?
Yes. And I'm 30.
And you are
30.
staying with your parents.
And yes.
Okay. And you've been together for 8 years.
Yes.
And you still staying with...
No, Nick.
Mara, this guy, Usile.
So that's challenge number one.
Oh, that's the challenge number one.
So now, his
Okay.
parents have a principle that a girlfriend is not allowed to sleep over at their place.
Of course. How?
So now the challenge is that we have a 5-year-old. So I thought by this time, maybe things will be better. I'll be able to visit and everything.
Rules are rules, girl. Girlfriends are not allowed. Whether you can have 10 babies, you're still a girlfriend. Nothing. The rules are the rules. Okay, go on.
So now, like last year, I had a challenge with my mom And then he was like, my son should go and stay at his place. So when that happened, he agreed, and then my son went and stayed at his place. Now, on December, you know, the grandparents, the one, when you're pregnant, they take you a gibo by your big sister. So they were like, no, umntwana kumilanga actually a gibo. He should be staying with me. And I myself wasn't coping for the fact that my son was too distant from me.
Yes.
So I was like, you know what, my grandparents told me, my son should come and stay with us, and then we fix the challenges with my mom. So when I told him that what my grandparents were saying, he actually dumped me. He was like, you know what, let's just cooperate. Okay, cool.
Anonymous, can I hold it there by you guys should just co-parent? I'm going to go to the news headlines, give everyone a recap just in case they didn't get to hear you clearly, but stay on the line fast. We're coming back, okay, Anonymous? Here's Khopedi Dilakwe. It's 50:30.
Get into it. Let the good times roll. Turn it up.
My station, my music.
It's Metro FM, the biggest commercial radio station in the land. We won't stop. Keep it locked, Tim Zanzi's favorite radio station. Non-stop entertainment with nothing but the best.
Let's go.
We are the heartbeat of the nation. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
It definitely is where you want to be. 32 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got the Naked DJ, birthday boy or man. And of course, Somizi is here. Anonymous on the line. Now, Anonymous has been with her boyfriend for about 8 years now. They have a child together. She's in her mid-20s and he's in his mid-30s. They stay in separate houses, both at their parents' houses. And after her grandparents advised that they should be married and living together for the sake of their child, Anonymous's boyfriend broke things off with her because of the situation, basically. So that's where we are. Anonymous, did I miss anything? Or is there anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, no, thanks. And I can continue.
Thank you so much. Co-parenting.
Yes. So he was like, let's cooperate. Cool. By that time, when he dumped me, it was the first time I was being dumped by him, so I didn't know how to react. But everything was just fine. Like, I just moved on. So, a few months back, then he comes back. He apologized. He calls the family meeting. And then he tells them the intentions that he has, you know. So after that, and then I was like, okay, it's fine. I can accept your apology. But just know things won't be the same. So ever since then, I thought things were going to change in his side. But instead, you know, we spend months without intimacy. Like, you know, when you come out of work, sometimes you just want to be with your person, but I can't experience it. So I've been slowly checking out. Am I wrong, guys?
So when was the last time you were intimate with him?
Let's say 3 months or 4 months back.
3 months.
3 or 4 months back. Yo. Shame, Anonymous. I mean, I'll be having birthday sex tonight.
Okay, that's nice.
Ngiyokudedicate i-round ungawari. I'll be like, Kaylee, this is for Anonymous. Sorry, Shem. Okay, carry on.
So, yeah, that's what's happening. I feel like I'm checking out. And now reality is hitting that this guy dumped me like he was willing to lose the whole 8 years just like that. And we've had ups and downs before, but he has never dumped me. Why now dump me? So, I don't know what to do.
Don't know what to do.
I really don't know. I don't wish again for my son to grow up without the father, but again, another thing, man. I'm tired of it. I don't like that.
The only thing I want to say to you is you actually said it. You said, I can't believe he's willing to throw away the last 8 years. Remember, it's 8 years to you. You're the only one that's counting and holding on and hoping and cherishing each and everything, each and every year, each and every minute. And what did he do? As you said?
It just turned down.
Done.
Anoni.
Yeah.
Yes, darling. So you said something at the end, Guti. You don't want your child to grow up without a father. Yeah, and you guys are not married, dang it.
No, we are not.
You are not married. Yeah. At what point did you not think, Guti, having a child with somebody ongakshadang is important for a child to not have a father?
No, yes, for me, yes, I grew up without both parents.
Yeah.
And then immediately when my father came back to my life, like we're trying to fix out our relationship, then he died.
Okay.
So I don't want, like I wish ukuthi umntana makakhulu akhule with umama nobaba endlini. I experienced that feeling that mina I never had.
I get you. Angizwanga question yami. Question yami, again, same thing that I said yesterday. I think this week I'm going to hold people accountable. Wenzelani umntwana nomuntu ongakushadanga, and then you're still going to complain that you don't want your child to grow up or to be raised without a father. In the first place, when you slept with this guy who is a boyfriend and you knew that there were possibilities of having a child, but there's no marriage, there's no engagement, there's no lobola, there's nothing. He's still a boyfriend. He can still walk away.
Yeah, I think that was the mistake.
Then you're going to come now and say you don't want your child to be raised. Do you understand the selfishness part on your behalf?
Yeah.
Uguti, this child did not choose to be here, and now your concern is now you're going to have to fight, not only fight for your relationship with this guy, but fight for a relationship with this guy and the child. Because how you feel about the child does not necessarily mean means he feels the same way about the child.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? So it's all of those things, again, to everyone that's listening who's still in a position of preventing what Anonymous is going through, because this happens every day. You do things and then you're gonna come here and cry victim. Uguti, he doesn't want to be a part of the child's life. He's coming back and forth. I love him. 8 years of Ntontoni. And Naked said it clear. Uguti, it's 8 years to you. To him, it's probably what's this? Human years. Go, it's dog years. Literally. It's yes. Guya, it's 3 days. Guya, it's dog years. It's 8 years. So it's all those. Let it be a year of accountability and a year of avoiding to have to be accountable. And it's you. You need to, as in keep boyfriend, exist. You need to start rectifying where you know what you went wrong. And where you went wrong is you start by yourself and saying, don't blame him at all. At all. Take him out of the equation. Take him out of the equation. The only time he's going to be a part of the equation is when you guys co-parent. But as a lover, take him out. He's shown you so many times he doesn't respect you. He's not into you. And then secondly, work on yourself to avoid being in such situations. Thirdly, be an amazing mother to your child. That energy or use no Casper. Use it to nurture your child, to make sure your child does not feel like he was a mistake or she was a mistake. Raise your child, sisi kamnandi kodwa ile ndoda le ayikufuni, and yenzeni puff and pass literally. When they puff and pass, but it's up to you. Uguti, are you going to be that cigarette that lights forever, or you're going to be a cigarette in the rain?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, ngizwa sis. Sharp
Yeah,
zone.
yes.
Anonymous, when are you planning to rosemary him?
Hayi,
No.
No, because she said, I don't want this child to grow up without a father. So, uyoshona nini? But, like, are you planning to kill him?
No.
Naked, she didn't say any of that.
She said, I don't want
No,
him.
Naked, you're putting words in her mouth. No, I don't
she
like
did.
that.
Now, Anisha, she says, I want them to, they must have a mother and a father, and then they must be under the same roof. I don't want the child to grow up without their father.
Rosemary ungenaphi.
Because I'm trying to make a point here. The guy will still be alive, Anonymous. The child will still have a father. The child will still have a mother. We are tired of those excuses. When you guys want to go back into toxic relationships, then you say, I don't want the child to grow up without a mother and a father. So Mizi said something. And women, please listen to this. Ne? Sometimes indoda ayinfuni nina, but they want their kids.
Yeah.
Right? Abanifuni nina, but they want their children. So the child will always be in the father's life. This is where we co-parent and make the situation proper for the kids. Just because your relationship didn't work out doesn't mean co-parenting shouldn't work out. Okay? Angeka shone, he'll always be there. Your boy's gonna have the father. Your boy's gonna have the mother.
Uwonge kuzube nendoda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Danko.
But not all hope is lost. Remember that.
Ushuktin manje.
No, in terms of her rebuilding her life.
Oh, of course.
Yes, not all hope is left. You can't rewrite your script and have a happy ending.
Yeah, bomfundi.
But not with this guy. Don't think this guy was about Chuck Norris avuke futhi Pelile. Yekela. Ne?
Yes. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, I hope you've learned your lessons, my baby.
But
I've learned my lesson. I'm always saying it at times. Yay.
Yay, ntombazane.
I think she's traumatized after you said she's living this relationship in dog years. Nami yo inhliziyo yami Anonymous. Yo hayi uSomizi today. Yo Anonymous ngiyaxolisa ne.
Like literally like naked like it's
sorry Anonymous.
Yeah, ibuhlungu, like because it's like counting money, right?
Yes.
And you have a stack of money and you are counting a currency that is weak.
Ish.
You understand?
Yeah.
That time mina ngiphethe $1 when you phethe Naira, you understand?
Like full of money.
And then you think you've got money, same thing.
Yeah.
It's really sad.
Sorry, Anonymous.
You can fix it, my baby.
So what does she do today, Somis?
Today.
Today.
Oh, girl. Go back to that guy you moved on with.
Yeah?
Oh,
is it?
Uga was the entertainer. Dry namhlanje, but you can.
No, she's been dry for
you can
3-4 months. 4 months.
3-4 months. Dry impuphu yodwa powder bakushaya babethi ikhuna trako ngathi izandla zezangoma uphuma idust
ngathi yi-roll from that place. The roll from
ngathi roll emnandos.
No, guys.
Kunantra. So, Tommy, go back to that guy and just go back for the fling of it.
Yeah.
And have fun. Let your Kunantra rejoice today. And it's naked. It's not Naked's birthday. It's Naked's holiday today. It's Naked Day today.
Yes.
Excuse the pun, but it's DJ Naked Day today.
Yeah.
We are blocking everything. We are opening everything.
Yes,
at the
we
same
are
time.
being naked.
Yes,
today.
blocking work, blocking negativity, and then opening the doors of Zamunda.
Yeah, boy. I love that.
You understand that? We are coming to America today. So all you need to do is a 3-letter word. Hey. Hey.
Not even stranger.
Aye.
She's
Not strangers. Someza feel ngathi somkhohliwe. Ithi hey wena nje kuphela. You will thank us later. And when you do it tonight, think what you are dedicated to the president of karma.
Mm.
Yazi karma ngithi?
Yes.
Yes. Umsutra the way. I'm sutra. I'm sutra.
Anonymous, please continue listening through the radio as South Africa gives you advice. Thank you for calling in, Anonymous.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. We've got 9 minutes. It's Ask a Man, the Naked DJ. Somizi, they are here. Anonymous needs your advice. What advice do you have for Anonymous? You're calling us on 086,000 2160. Your voice notes on 060 552 7303.
Good day, Metro FM
Hi.
listeners, and good day to Anonymous, and good day to all the team of hashtag Ask a Man.
Yes, sir.
I just want to give my advice to Anonymous. I would like to agree with Somizi and Naked DJ. Honestly, you cannot have a boyfriend and you say it has been 8 years and he's not talking about marriage at all. That is a green light that there's nowhere where you are going. And in the same place again, to all the women, I don't know why you have a child with someone that has not married you. I don't know what you'll be trying to achieve, whether you'll be thinking that if I have a child with this person, then the person will marry me. No, that's not the thing. Get married first, have kids later. Just do the things the right way, not the opposite way.
Thank you, Green
Morning,
Lights.
everyone. Can I please stay anonymous?
Yes.
Coming to the fact of Anonymous on Ask a Man. My sister, one thing that I can tell you is that there is someone else in the picture besides you within that 8 years. If a man loves you truly and wants to dedicate everything and sacrifice everything for when he would have done the utmost best for you and Numdana Wayne. The unfortunate part is that at times parents have a tendency of gatekeeping us from our partners. And also it can be a blessing in disguise because you may see ukuthi indoda yakho ime kuphi of umuntu wakho umfazi wakho, as I can put it. But if someone can just easily throw away a relationship like this, then khona ukushaya amanzi. What I can tell you is that that's it. Go for therapy. Uqhubeke ngempilo. Akukho okunye, just continue co-parenting.
Good morning, guys. Good
Morning.
show as always.
Thank you.
Both the guys, they are honest. Anonymous should just do two things. One, run. Two, never look back. Because it shows that this guy is one of those people that when they meet a serious challenge, all they think about is run away, cut off things and run away. Now it's marriage. Tomorrow what's gonna happen? It's gonna find another reason to run. But I just want to clarify something and add on to what Somizi said. Yes, making a child out of wedlock, indeed, it's a guarantee that the child might not grow up without the father. But let's just correct that and encourage people to say, when you have a child, be prepared that you might be raising the child alone, whether you're married or not. Because even in marriage, it's crazy. There are no VIPs in Mujolo, guys, in marriage.
Amen.
Oh, but morning.
Morning.
Angzanga my advice. I just want to say happy birthday to DJ Mapuna Pona. Oh my way, you're sharing a birthday with my daughter. I had her when I was 17, but I'm glad I had her. I love you. I love her. So happy birthday to you guys. Nozipo Majela from Mommy Bitumelo Majela.
Thank you, Bitumelo. Happy.
Gentlemen.
Right. I've got two messages to give. One to Naked, and then two. First, I'll start with Anonymous and the ladies and the gentlemen at large. Right? This is an epiphany and an aha moment that I just got right now to preach to ladies. I just want to say to you, I want you to know how valuable your kunantra, let's talk about physicality.
Okay.
Your kunantra is, how precious your kunantra is, and that is why they call it a cake, right? They call it a cake because it's for special occasion. It's a cake because you can eat cake when you reward yourself after having dinner as a dessert, as an end to an amazing meal.
Yes.
So it's there's something special about the cake. You don't mix cake with pap and tontoni. You eat it on its own with ice cream. Things that are delicacies that are delicious,
Yes.
nandis, right?
Yeah.
That is why they call it a cake. Imnandi.
Yes.
And it's precious.
Yebo.
Treat it as such. And men know that it's precious. That's why they want to legalize it. First come, first serve type of thing. And I leave. Be careful who you share your cake with.
Yeah.
That is very important. And that is why with guys, they call it a voroso. Voroso, you eat it with pap, with rice, with meat, with idla noma yini, idliwa noma yini.
Okay.
Voroso doesn't care. Anything la kungeneka khona iyangena. Ivoroso. And I mean it literally. I've experienced it.
An expert.
You know,
Yeah.
Ivoroso does not care. So make sure when you meet a voroso, you meet a voroso that also knows its worth. It does not just being eaten by anything. It is going to be eaten and meet the criteria and the standards of the cake as a dessert. Okay, so thank you very much. Now
Thank
back
you.
to Naked.
Yes.
Naked, happy birthday, my friend. You are 46 now, right?
46.
Say it with your chest out.
46.
Yes.
Yeah, but not 46.
Yes, you look amazing, and not just for your age, but for you yourself. And
Wow.
more than anything, Maya Angelou washo wati, rise. Rise. Still I rise.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look down and say, still I rise.
I do.
No, look down.
Now.
Yes.
Still I rise.
So you must be happy, but you can still look at it and say, still.
I
rise.
rise.
All right.
Indeed, yes.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank
Oh,
you, so amazing.
because you don't have to do anything for it to rise. All right?
Yes.
It's called a self-raising power.
Yeah, that's right.
We're a self-raising flower.
Yes.
So yes, happy birthday and all the best. Another 40 years to go.
Wow.
Yes.
To 40, you're
Yes.
limiting me to. Hey, and then how what happened? Now are you Rosemarying me at
You'll be 86. Yes.
And then?
You must buy chai.
You must try.
You must
I
chai.
must be a beautiful corpse, no?
Yeah?
I must be a beautiful corpse.
Yes, you're going to be an amazing. But for the 86, yeah, you must chai.
Okay.
I'll be there at your funeral.
When?
Yeah.
You'll be 100 and?
And dust.
Happy birthday!